I feel very tired today. I think I'll just rest my eyes a little bit. All right, I'm up. Now here we go, trying to find my way out of this ladder, man. Who made this? Who did this? I don't know how to get out of here now. I mean, you gotta be an engineer to get out of this thing. Do I go up or do I go down? Do I go, maybe, possibly through it? I'm gonna try to put my head through it. Maybe that'll work. That's not working either. My butt's itchy again. Ah, yeah. Well, okay, now I have a cracker. Would you like to share it with me? If you don't say anything, I'm gonna eat it all myself. All right, well, fine. You lose. Ah, num 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 num. Ah, wait. I think I'm eating my foot, and not the cracker. Well, yep, that's definitely what's going on. Come on, man. I just don't know anymore. It really doesn't taste all that great, and I think it's giving me gas.